students, I welcome back everyone in this video session. In this video, we are going to discuss about Unit 6 Information Processing from Standard 5th. In this unit, we are going to solve how graphical representations are taking place by using pictograph and bar graph. Let us move to the video session.
Max Unit 6, the chapter name is Information Processing. In this chapter, we are going to study about what is pictograph. A pictograph is represented by a graphical representation with the picture. With the help of the picture, we are going to find the answer. In this pictograph, we are going to find how many bat, ball, carom board and hockey sticks are present. Let us count. First one. Find the total number of picture. How many picture was there totally? That is 35. How many students like cricket bat? How many students they have given? It's 7. Very good. Third one. How many students like to draw football? That is 10 students. How many students draw carom board? That is 8 students. How many students like to draw a hockey sticks? That is 10 students. In a school, we have a sports day celebration. After the sports day celebration gets over, the students just keep all the used sports articles in a room. The physical director asked the student named Dinesh and Ganesh from 5th standard to arrange the sports article in a proper order. Both of them were separated the mingled articles and tabulated below. Dinesh and Ganesh separated the articles from the mingled one. There are totally 10 articles. Let us see what are the articles. First one, tennis bat, that is, how many was there? It is 4. And football, that is 1. And a ball, it was 2. The ring was totally 6. The hockey stick was totally 11. How many basketball net was there? Totally 3. How many cricket bat? 2. How many strings? 1. How many skippings? Totally 10. And how many net was there? It's only 1. Dear children, in this they have given triangles, rectangle, circle and square. They have given in a different colors and different shapes. You all know which is triangle, which is circle, which is rectangle and which is square. This is the homework that you have to do in your home. You have to count how many triangles, rectangle, circle and square was there. Take a rough note and work it out and do the sums. In a standard 5th, there was a boy named called Prabhu. He is having a birthday, so all the friends are like to share the gifts with their friend Prabhu. Let us see what are the friends given to Prabhu. There was many pencil, eraser, scale, water bottle, color pencils, everything. They have given everything to whom? Yes, it's a birthday boy, Prabhu. Let us see how many things Prabhu got from a friend. How many pencil box was there? It was 2. He got 3 pen and 3 eraser and 3 pencil. Only 1 scale. How many water bottle? Is it 2. And totally 1 color pencil he got from a friend. Dear students, in a household mart, the total stocks was calculated and given the details. For the question, you are going to answer. First one, How many chairs are there in a stock list? Count the chairs and write it in your notebook. Name the articles which is lesser than the number of cots. There was totally 4 number of cots, which is so lesser than that. You have to write the name of the articles. Third one, what is the total number of things in a stock list? Totally, how many things was there? You have to count and write the names. How many tri-footed tools are there? It is so easy. You can count easily and you can write the answer. Fifth one, mention the article which is 3 numbers greater than tri-footed stool. Yes, I know you all have written the answer. The teacher collected the information about 150 students on their favorite subject based on the pictograph. Let us see what are the subject and what are the pictograph. There are 5 subjects, that is Tamil, English, Maths, Science and Social Science. How many students are there in Tamil? That is 25 students. In English, 20 students. In Maths, 55 students. In Science, 35 students. In last one, there is Social, that is 15 students. One smiley ball equal to 5 students. Let us allot for Tamil subject. They have given totally 25 students. So 1 equal to 5. 5 5s are 25. Very good. There is totally 5 balls. In English, 5 4s are 20. So totally how many balls are there? That is 4. In Maths, we have 55. So 1 equal to 5 students. That means 5 11s are equal to 55. So totally how many balls should be there? That is 11 balls. And in Science, we have 35. 35 means 5 7s are 35. So totally how many balls should be there? 7 balls. At the final, the Social Science is 15. So 5 3s are 15. So totally 3 balls should be there in a Social Science. In a village, they have calculated for a paddy production. Let us calculate from the year 2010 to 2050. One bundle of crops equal to 100 kg. How many kg? 100 kg. Let us find how many are there. Observe the pictograph and answer the following question. First one, in which year the paddy production is maximum? Which is the highest number? 2010. Because how many kgs are there? It's totally 500 kgs was there. Second one, in which year the paddy production is equal? Can you see the picture and tell me? That is 2013 and 2015, as well as 2012 and 2014. Fourth one, find the total quality of paddy production, particularly 2013, 14 and 15. In 2013, 14 and 15, the total quantity of paddy production is 700 kg. Mr. Dinesh was collecting the information about the rainfall of a particular city in a week from the newspaper. He recorded their information with the help of pictograph. Yes, they have given a pictograph for a week from Sunday to Saturday. We always should know the first day of the week is always Sunday. It's not Monday. So one raindrop is equal to 2 milliliters of rain. How many milliliters? That is 2 milliliters of rain. Let us see how much rain we have get in a particular week. First question. In which day had a most rain? That is Friday. Because that day only we have a much rain. Second one. Which day has the least rain? That is Sunday and Wednesday. Third one. How much rain was there on Sunday? Totally there is 3 drops of water. So we have to calculate it with 2 milliliters. So 3 twos are 6. So totally 6 milliliters of rain was there on Sunday. How much rain was there on Monday? So totally there is 6. 6 twos are 12. So 12 milliliters of rain was there on Monday. The last question. Find the total rainfall of a particular city in a week. So totally from a week, that is Sunday to Saturday. Shall we count? How many? There was totally 37 rainfall was there. So we have to calculate it with 2. If we calculate it with the help of 2, so we will get 37 into 2 equal to 74. So totally rainfall is 74 milliliters of rain was there in a particular city. Let us see the other sum with the help of a bar graph. Children, you can draw a bar graph with the help of a detail given here. Is the number of things sold in a month of January in a particular shop is shown below. You have to draw a bar graph for that. They have given a home appliances, that is refrigerator, number of things sold. How many numbers? That is 75. Television is 45. Washing machine 30. Cooler, that is AC, 60. Radio is number 30. I have given a bar graph with the help of a graphical representation. Can you see that? It starts from 0. It's go on moving with the help of skip counting by tens. Up to you can put for 100, otherwise you can stop it as 80. So we have to draw a graph up to 75 for refrigerator, 45 for television, 30 for washing machine, and 60 for cooler. Finally 30 for radio. In this graphical representation of bar graph shows how many students use different modes of transport. There are many students used cycle, car, bus and the mode of transport. First one, which mode of transport is mostly used by a student? Which is so higher? Is very good, that is bicycle. How many students come by walk to school? Totally 40 number of students. Which mode of transport is used by less number of students? That is vehicle, car. How many students come by bus? That is 40 number of students. Let us learn what is tally marks. Can you see the tabular column, tally marks and number of students? First one, there was a 4 line and striked with the help of a red line. That denotes 5. And apart from that, there is 4 lines was there. 5 plus 4 is totally 9. The next one is 3 line was there, that is 3 number of students. The next one, 4 lines was there, that is totally 4 numbers. The next one, 2 lines was there, that is 2 number of students. And the last one again 2 number of students. So it has 2 lines. With the help of tally marks, let us answer the questions. Which vehicle has crossed the school maximum in numbers? Which is the maximum numbers there? Yes, it's a lorry. Totally how many was there? 5 plus 5 plus 3. So totally 13 was there. The line which has 4 and striped with the red one, it's totally denotes 5. So 2 5 and 3 1. So totally it's 13. Second one, find the total number of vehicles which were crossed on a particular time. That is 47 vehicles were crossed. You have to total all the tally marks as well as number of vehicles. So you will get the answer 47. Let us solve the puzzle with the help of 3 into 3 process. Let us see step by step. We have to use only 1, 2 and 3. These are the 3 numbers we are going to use in a row and a column. But we should not use whatever used in a row. The same number should not be used in a row. If you see the picture, you can easily identify. Let us see. Dear children, you can try 4 into 4 process with the help of 3 into 3. The same thing you are going to do, but you are going to use 4 numbers, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. The same number should not be repeated in a column as well as in the row. See to that and do the answer properly. Let us see the word problem. Neela, Mala, Kala, Bala are neighbors. The data shows the number of fish which is there in a fish tank. Neela, Mala, Kala and Bala. These are the 4 students. They are called neighbors. Neela is having 16 number of fish. Mala 20, Kala is 12 and Bala has 24. Who is having the most number of fish? Who is having more number of fish? That is Mala. Very good. Who is having 16 fishes? Yes, it's Neela. How many fewer fish did Kala have than Mala? That is 4. If you compare to Bala and Mala, there is 24 and 20. If you minus 24 with the help of 20, you will get the answer 4. The last one, how many fish did Neela and Bala have altogether? Neela is having 16 and Bala is having 24. So totally it is 40 fishes. I hope you all understood about information processing and the word pictograph and bar graph. Thank you, students.